look. You know, I think the content thing's a little overplayed. Like you're just going to put content up and something's going to happen. That'd be like Coca-Cola just putting Coke on the shelves and not monetizing this. I mean, just put it up there, don't price it, let people take it, use it, talk about it, not talk about it, like it, don't like it. Somebody's got to manage it. Somebody's got to monetize it. Somebody's going to have to replenish it. Somebody's going to have to get feedback. Like it needs to fund itself. You can't just throw content on the internet and think, okay, something's going to happen. Nothing's going to happen. Because there's no amount of content. You know, I heard a guy say the other day, you need to put up like 10 pieces of content a day. So what?
Yeah.
Dude, 10 pieces of content a day on the internet? It's a meaningless.
That could be a full-time job and not generate.
Well, first of all, you'd have a full-time job.
Yeah.
2, it might not generate a penny. And number 3, it's not going to make a difference. 10 pieces of content compared to the amount of content being dropped every day is nothing. So people need to come up with a plan where their content actually, on LinkedIn, what is it going to do? What is it driving traffic to?
The number one mistake I see businesses make with digital marketing full stop is they don't measure return on investment.
Well, look, I don't measure return on investment on every piece of content we drop either.
Of course not. But you know it's there.
It should be there.
Yeah.
Now, how can you do return on investment if you're not monetizing? Like when do we start coming up with this nonsense?